Uh, free me from my purgatory stream elements. So, assuming my stream has begun. Today we are trying our best to mod RimWorld. I fucking love RimWorld. This game is phenomenal. I have played so much of this shit. I got it maybe last year. I've gotten almost 1,000 hours in a year. I love RimWorld. So good. That said, I have always wanted to mod RimWorld. I've wanted to contribute, to the community. So, our goal today is to make a quote-unquote simple mod. What we're going to do is, so the RimWorld map is a bunch of tiles, right? So like it might be like some grass here, couple blocks in my house. Imagine like Minecraft. And my idea is that so pawns walk around. They walk between these tiles. They can path like diagonally. What if we placed landmines everywhere? And to sort of extend on this idea, I've decided maybe I'll try and get RimWorld but Minesweeper working. Minesweeper. You get the point. Sweeper. Whatever. I'm hoping that we'll have... Hey, Def. I saved my streak by watching a video. Huge. I did that, I think, like, a week ago. I managed to keep my 3 streak. It's 10 now, so all good. So, yes, the idea is to get RimWorld but Minesweeper. I don't know if we'll succeed because I'm terrible at modding, but hopefully we can have these mines invisible and maybe have these these little indicators show up on the tiles, so we'll actually know if a pawn is going to kill themselves. That said, I don't know if I want this system. It might be kind of funny to just have like big blocks of the world that may just kill you. You know, like if you walk over here on like the northwest side of the map, you just fucking explode. Boom. Anyway, the goal is invisible mines today in RimWorld. Now, true to the title, I don't know how to mod RimWorld very well. I did read a guide a couple of days ago. I'm hoping ChatGPT can just do it for me. I did see Gemini 3 is the GOAT, so we'll be trying to use that. I'm going to try my best to explain the mod to ChatGPT. Or I guess Gemini in this case. I want to make a RimWorld mod where random tiles on the map spawn an invisible mine which explodes when a pawn walks on them. Odds on this working? I say 0. That said, it didn't look that complicated to mod RimWorld. It seemed simple enough. Whatever you say, Chief. What is it? About is going to use an XML. Visible mine? Okay, yeah, this looks fine. It may ask us to install like a mod API. I think it's called like Harmony, which is the popular one for RimWorld. Harmony? Yes, which we have installed already. C# library. Did it do? Did it just work? Oh, it just made its own folder. Oh well. About? What's in here? It's invisible mines, sure. 1.4? It's 1.6 now. Okay, what we got? Hit an explosive that detonates when a pawn steps on it. I don't want it to be built, but we'll leave it there for now. 1 by 1. You can craft it. Not really what I'm looking for. Explosion. Damage about 100. I think like a pawn torso is 40 or something. That's definitely gonna one shot. Is worker too close to other things? Is that really it? It'll just work? Collision radius, damage amount. Let me put some music on. Pick, check for pawn, explode. Okay, explosion. That seems simple enough. It is just a landmine, but invisible, I guess. Let's get the music. Let's do that one. Okay. I hope that just works. Let me do a little bit of audio balancing. Okay, so we need to grab this. Reveal in File Explorer. We'll see if we can expand this to be Minesweeper later. Plunk this in the RimWorld directory. You can see that I was experimenting earlier. Let's get rid of that. Did not work, if you're wondering. This actually looks pretty good, honestly. It's very simple, so I'm confident this might actually do something. Oh. Is it different? Yeah, install the C# thing, whatever time. Okay. So, in theory, we should just be able to spawn a world and just walk around and one of our pawns will eventually explode. What are the odds that it spawns? Oh. Okay. Forget the music. Doesn't correspond to any fields in... Hold on. XML version 1.0 doesn't correspond to any field in mod data internal. Okay. So my about thing is broken. Actually, we can just copy the about from earlier. This'll do. Reveal. Replace. Done. Yeah, I wanted to quickly see, does it show how many mines it spawns? Spawn interval? How many takes between spawns? Oh, it's spawning over time! Not what I meant. Hold on. Maybe I should have read the code first. Make the code spawn like 100 mines when world is generated. Spawn mines are map generated. You can override finalize in it. Okay, phenomenal. Oh, it's still going to be doing it over time. Phenomenal. Just pray that there's no mine that spawns in your house. Yeah. That's fine, actually. I kind of find that more funny. You're cooking. ChatGPT. I realize that we need to move this into the mods folder now. Okay, mods. Delete, delete. Now I pray. Please. I was surprisingly... Oh, okay, I'm gonna say that was surprisingly faster than I thought it would be. Root element named thing def should not be def. Oh man, that's loud. Oh, can I turn everything down? Okay, go down there. Root elements named thing.def should be def. Okay. I mean, we can do that. Root elements. Wait, real RimWorld stream? Not really. We're doing modding. Things, defs, buildings. What am I named things? This should just be defs? I think Gemini did not cook. Yes, we can just try to delete this. Hold that there. RimWorld modding though, yes. One day we will do a RimWorld stream. It may not be today. I mean, if I get this mod working fast enough, I'll do a RimWorld stream. I don't mind. Restart. Oh, I have a feeling this whole setup is just not going to work. I'll try a couple more times, and then if it continues to fail, I'll get it to a dragon. Root should not be named Defs. Didn't I just delete this? I did just delete this, didn't I? Defs? What? Oh, that was my actual code one. Right. Bro's always telling me he's playing RimWorld, now he really is. I love this game, man. My goated RimWorld. Too bad I've played it too much. I know a little too much about how to play the game, and it definitely spoils it. Root element named ThingDef should be named Defs. I swear I just changed this. Is it generating every time I do this? Am I tripping? No? Defs. Yeah, this is... whatever it's talking about does not exist. Invisible Minds, Defs, building security. Oh. Real element named ThingDefs. Ah! I misunderstood. It's the code that it's yapping about. Can I get that back? Plonk that in. ThingDef. Should be def. Okay. Easy enough. Go. We're gonna be stuck here for a while. I'll put this back and I'll just mute RimWorld, I think. Come on. My cat, by the way, right now is ill. He wiped his ass all over my carpet. And this shit. It's phenomenal. Root shouldn't be named Defs. What? Should be named Defs. Oh, I did Def. Man. You're kidding me. Defs. They're happy. That was on me, to be fair. Oh. Ooh. I wish RimWorld launched faster. There was a way to reload mods. In fact, maybe there is, actually. Maybe I'm trolling. Maybe I could just click like a reload. Def name is not a def type that could be found. Gotcha. Is there a reload? This save and apply. No. Let's do anything? No. I'm just going to try and have it retry. Fully. Let's delete this. Check and do it here. Delete. Bye-bye. Oof. See my previous chat? Hold on. Wait. Chat. Yes, I can. Let's make it agent mode. And let's try and change it from... Oh, Juniper is supposed to be good. Come on, try again. Make sure it works with RimWorld 1.6. Where random tiles on the map spawn invisible mine on map generate, which explode when a pawn walks on them. Okay. Try again. In the meantime, I could probably try and search for a way to spawn things myself instead of having AI do it. I was hoping I wouldn't have to learn how this works. Verify. Let's see in the meantime. Spawn things, RimWorld modding. Is there like a guide? Oh, my eyes. Enable development mode. No. So, item. RimWorld modding API. Modding tutorial. Phenomenal. Block. Defs, mod structure. It's code. We need to be able to do code. Oh, I think you needed Visual Studio. Actually generate the DLLs. Yes, we may need to install Visual Studio. Alright, Visual Studio installing through. Install Visual Studio. I spelled that. Community. Okay. Need download link? Oh, it's probably blocked. Yes, there it is. This seems to be doing something there. Investigating compilation dependencies. Ah, yeah. NuGet is part of Visual Studio. Package managed to reference assemblies. Oh, it really is just doing it by itself. Is it just installing things? Hmm. I mean, I wish you luck. What's this? That's fine. F's map generator. I assume this is related to the code. Okay, it is generating a Visual Studio project. Interesting that I can do this. Check every 10 ticks. Oh yeah, if someone walks on it, it'll explode. Okay. Explode. Sure. Okay. Scatter invisible mines. Can scatter. If something's at the... Okay, if a character is at this point in the map, that's fine. Don't spawn... Okay, yeah, don't spawn in water. It's okay, whatever. Scatter? Spawn. This was up here, right? Or this doesn't exist yet. Gen spawn spawn. Hmm. Okay, I have no idea what this does. Building... Oh, it's just copying the mines. Okay. Model wants to edit sensitive files. Feel free to. Okay. Where was the code? It didn't finish its code, I noticed. Is there spawn? Can scatter, scatter, explode, tick. But nothing called gen spawn. Maybe that's something that's part of RimWorld? We've done... Yeah. Build the mod. Oh, I actually don't need a Visual Studio. It says I can do it with the dev kit here. Go away then. Okay. Build the project. How can I build my project in VS Code? I did install that C# thing. Yeah, here. What does it say? Install, open, and then check out documentation. Phenomenal. Oh, there's a command. Gone. Terminated. I could not be loaded. Internet to execute .NET application. Maybe I need to restart VS Code. Oh, I don't have .NET. Okay, that's fair. Let's do it. Oops. Windows was not happy there. Hey, Fishy. What's up? We are trying our best to get a RimWorld mod working. The idea is, we will have mines randomly spawn on a map when the map is generated, and obviously when a pawn walks on them, they explode. If we can get this to work, then we can make it into Minesweeper. And it's just going to be RimWorld. It's because RimWorld has a bunch of tiles that pawns walk on. Yeah. The goal. So far, we have been struggling. I won't lie. Let's try this again. Install the .NET SDK, restart VS Code, and then try this. Sure. Oops. Could be a short stream today. I didn't plan the stream, but oh, I was building in the wrong directory. Fine, whatever. That's not what I'm trying to copy paste. That is also not the right thing. My cat shit itself today, Fishy. It was all in front of my door. Is it the right thing? Yes, it is. Okay. Build the project. Control-Shift-B. Select build. Alright. Oh yeah, Bill. What did I just hear? My cat's ill. It, you know the thing that pets do when they, like, rub their ass and then, like, drag it across the carpet? Yeah. There was a shit stain in front of my door. Bro did, like, a skid mark. The best Overlord for do explosion does not have projectiles? Yeah, so I had a shit skid mark outside my door. I had to clean it up. I imagine he's probably gonna do it again. Else, I mean, whatever, get out of here. I hope he's okay. Honestly, I don't mind that much. I just hope he's okay. Did not save? Do it again. Hope bro is good? Yeah. Bowser. I don't have projectiles. I'm not... There's no projectiles here. 31. Line 31. Oh, it did it twice for some reason. Okay, that's an interesting choice. What should be built? Oh, succeeded. Okay. Sure. Build succeeded. Do I need to do anything? Where's the DLL? Should be in assemblies, right? Harmony? Okay, we need harmony. It did not tell me about that, but it's fine. Reveal. Grab that. And... Joy. Bonk it in. Okay. When this working? 0. I don't believe. But we may be able to fix it. It did compile. Patch operation. Map generator patch XML. Patch operation verse patch operation. What? What do they even mean? Map generator? Harmony DLL? No. Generator here. Patch operation ads. Can I just copy this? Copy, trace, copy. Oops, that is spot core. What you got to say for yourself? Instead of copying files every time, you can create a symbolic link. Oh! Wait, I did not know that. That might actually be goated. Kate, copy. Huh. So we can get this working as well. Symbolic links are shortcuts, yeah. It says right here. Now delving into RimWorld. There's not a whole lot to log. It does seem to just not be able to load this. I imagine something's wrong here, one of these names. Come on. The aim is robust patch. Yappa yappa. Set your new step. Adds a comment. And... an ore? What? Okay. The error indicates the patch could not find the map generator. Get started, King. Thank you. I don't know what's the win here. Updated. This might be. Oh, you guys both. I was wondering what happened on this. Alright there. 5 push-ups from Ollie and wardrobe. Alright, fine. Man. A second. I don't have a camera, so you just have to believe that I'm doing it. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10. Oh wait. Come on, 10's working on this. Give me more. He could be faking it. I could. Just simply have to believe me. Wait till the clown stream. You can redeem like 100, and I'll just die on stream. Okay. Copy the updated patches. It's fine. Ugh. Getting up, doing push-ups, and getting up again. Oh my god, I'm dizzy. I think we just delete this. I think we ignore what ChatGPT is saying. Just take the W. Oof. I'm drinking water. Thank you for the redeem, though. What was that? Close RimWorld, delete the copy. Run this command. Okay. That's not the path of RimWorld. Oh no, it is. Wait, how did it know? What? How did it know? Did it read all my files? Bastard, that's an invasion of my privacy. Yeah, it's in the D drive. What's wrong? That is the path, right? Here? Oh, it already exists, maybe. Oh. Steam library, Steam apps, common, RimWorld mods, and then RimSweeper. The target is administrator privileges required. My bad. Did not read that. It's annoying that blacks out the screen, but oh well. Alright. That seems functional. Yep. Let's do that. What did we change? We just changed that one line to fix it from whatever the fuck it was trying its best to do. Setting up. Oh. It's still broken. Maybe it was not a good idea to remove the code. I thought I was being smart. Let's try this. I'm curious if there's a way to reload in-game. Is there a way to reload mods in-game? Oh! No errors! Wait, hang on. RimSweeper. We do need Harmony. I did see it needed the DLL. Enable. Okay. Save and apply. Oh, what was it? Is it Googling something? AI knows how to Google. It's over for humanity. Yeah, let's see if this worked. Is there a debug one? I think there's a debug colony you can spawn. If you enable development mode. New colony. I swear there was a debug one. Huh. Oh. We'll do crash landed. No, not crash landed. We'll do naked brutality. Whatever. Live any time. We want a tiny map, 5%, and everything else defaults. That's fine. Hold on. ChatGPT versus RimWorld. Okay. Spawn here. Oh, that's fine. That's fine. Okay, maybe not someone addicted. The smoke leaf. Okay. Do we... I mean, I don't see a mine. That's a good sign. And now we just walk. Now we just pray. I mean, nothing's happening. I don't think it's... Oh! Oh! We hit a landmine. Gin explosion? Okay. So Gin explosion doesn't exist. Yes. That's fine. That's a good progress we've got. Go to here. That's fine. Ignore it. Forget about it. Restore checkpoint. There we go. Is there a what? What? Okay, that's fine, I guess. Stack trace. Yeah, I'm focusing on the actual log. That's good. Okay. Let's see if we can decode it ourselves. Method not found. Void. Gen explosions do explosion. Doesn't exist, it seems. You want to edit file? Okay. I don't see how that's relevant. It's this. This is wrong, somehow. It's error. That's because the mod was built against 1.5. You're running RimWorld 1.6. I did tell you at the start. That's fine. Okay, fine. Disinterest your building. Rebuild the mod. What? I don't like the sound of this. It's changing the version from 1.5 to 1.6, which is good. We are running RimWorld 1.6, but that does mean the code would have changed. We'll see. Okay. Oh, diff quick test. Oh, there's a button they added. Huge. My goat said Ludion. Wow, everyone, wander around randomly. We need more landmines. Everywhere should be a landmine. Didn't fix anything, unsurprisingly. Probably clipboard. Close. What do you have to say for yourself? You're lying to me. It's not working. Let's see if we can add more mines in the meantime. Patches? Where's the code? I've lost it. There it is. Pick, explode, generate. Here we go. And scatter, scatter. Oh, is there not actually something that says how many? What? How is this relevant? Seed part can scatter. Fix tick? That's not the problem. But I'll leave it for now. Okay. Keep. How can I add more landmines? I would have thought it would just been in the code, but I guess there's some sort of smell somewhere here. Cells range. Gen steps. Oh, it is that. Okay, fine. 50 to 100? How many tiles are there on a RimWorld map? Yeah, Ooh, no, we don't want that again. RimWorld map size. 250, 250. Wait, calculator? 50 times 250? In 62,000 tiles, this... I think about 100? We gotta buff the number up massively. Let's do like a third of the tiles are landmines. Oh! 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 It worked! We just gotta find one ourselves. Oh! It works! Okay. Phenomenal. Okay. Now, I did notice, destroy the landmine. We don't need that. Smile. And we're going to up the radius massively. Damage amount. -10. It's a one-shot. Pretty much at least. Oh, it's going to be phenomenal. Okay. And instead of 50 to 100, let's do... divided by 3. 20,000? Seems about right. We'll do 10,000. to 20,000 landmines on the map. Okay. I can only see this going well. So, potentially up to 1 in 3 tiles we step on are just a landmine just permanently chalked. If this works, we need to put a way so that if we find a landmine, colonists will try their best to avoid it. Like a mark on the ground. Hey. That was okay. I mean, we found one right at spawn. The dog is very upset that their dog owner died, which is unsurprising. Oh. You're running. It still doesn't seem that bad, though. Like, it's supposed to be 20,000 landmines on this map. Or up to, at least. Martillo. I'm gonna be seeing this quite a bit. The dog ate the fucking person. What are these landmines everyone's stepping on? Dan is just walking, like, nice and peacefully. Yeah. Dan's just chilling. Oh, there he is. Man in black? Perfect. I think this is a reasonable amount. They change every, like, 10 minutes? Oh my god. Maybe the changing is a little much. Oh, yeah. It doesn't seem to one-shot always, which is fine. How much did it do? Almost. Almost enough to one-shot. Let's do a little bit more. A little bit more damage. And maybe some armor pen. Explodes. Minus 10. And 15. Okay. I think... No, that's fine. We need to figure out a way to label the landmines. Okay. Okay. It works. Now I want a function that allows me to label... Oh, wait. There is a planning tool in RimWorld. Maybe we can use the planning tool. I want to add that pawns do not walk on... Or, sorry. Try to avoid walking through tiles with plans from the plan tool. I hope this is possible. While finding plan designation, we should hopefully be able to have each tile. They have like a weight in pathing. Hey, Jerkimus. So when a unit paths, actually, let me use paint to describe what I'm talking about. Don't save. Get a grid. So let's say we wanted to walk here and our pawn is here. Every tile probably has like a pathing weight, like to avoid. And so ideally a pawn will walk through the smallest weight of a path. Instead of, you know, like 3, 1, 2, 2, 3 here. And I'm hoping that if we can have the planning tool and weight to these tiles, then we can effectively label which tile has a landmine on it. For you who just joined, Jackamus, we have successfully implemented RimWorld but Minesweeper. And we're trying our best to complement the... Yeah. the features. It seems map grid is not directly accessible. Okay. Wait. Map class usually has path grid? Is this thinking? Why is it showing this? Okay, no, it's broken. This is bad. What's it doing? Stop. What did it try and change? I mean, this looks good, but Oh, do you know what it was? It was waiting for me to add the files. Should I risk it? I mean, it's just 2 files. What is it? RimSweeper, Harmony, and Pathfinding? Okay. Let's try. Build. Oh, the reason why it didn't have more landmines is because I didn't rebuild the code. Map does not contain. Okay, that's fine. Was it patch finding? Path findings? Yeah, go to this. Now undo. If I control Z everything. Oh, that did work. Okay, good. Again. This seems very broken. Yeah. 20,000 mines might be a bit much, but we'll see. I do just want to walk and die. Focus is now ensuring. Yep. I've confirmed the existence of patches. Exploring the pathfinding algorithms. You should be able to de-incentivize spawns. RimWorld, pathing, modding, pathing. You know what I could do? I could probably find somebody's code on the workshop and then use that. Pathing mod. Clean pathfinding too. Hopefully this just figures it out. I don't really want to go look through other people's code if I can avoid it. It is convinced this is going to work. Exact same changes. Maybe I needed to fix something. I believe? Oh. Okay. Yes, no grid. There is no grid. Oh, map does not... Yeah, path grid is not real. Okay. It does seem to be understanding that it's building for the wrong version. I'm bored right now. I don't know what to do while watching your stream. What have I been playing? Have you ever played Yu-Gi-Oh before? This game is ass. I love it though. I know Chibi Tip was saying to try Nerds Online. I've yet to play it. It's like Solitaire, but versus. Play Noita? Noita's a goated game. It's quite a suffering like though. If you like dying, Noita's the one. I have a good feeling about this. I imagine, because we upped the number of mines, we are just gonna fucking explode the moment we touch spawn. Oh! Oh! There it goes. Very good. Okay, wait, hold on. Let us try and use the tool we just added. Orders. Ah, planning tool. Red. Do not walk here. Try your best to avoid this. Hopefully, if I tell him to move like that, he just walks through it like an idiot. Maybe non-colored. Please avoid. No, he just ignores the pathing. Is there a landmine nearby? There's a lot of landmines, but you can still just walk around the map pretty safely. I mean, it's still pretty deadly. Alright, let's try this. What's wrong? Why didn't it work? Designation of plan. At a cost. 1,000 is roughly equivalent to moving 10 to 15 on a normal terrain. Okay, maybe the weight should be a little higher now. I mean, if you know there's a landmine somewhere, you probably don't want to walk there. Ah. I don't think this code was doing anything, though. Calculate. Maybe this isn't being run? I don't know. Harmony is in the game. RimWorld is really cool and totally very amazing at making mods. But I read that. Right. So there's a landmine here. Okay. If we zone this red somewhere here. Do not walk there. You don't seem to care. Why? Just walk around it, bro. Is it here? Where's the landmine? There it is. Okay. The pawns are not, or the pawns are ignoring the plan tool. Maybe this isn't the right thing. Map designation manager? Plan? Oh! Is it thinking plan is in, like, when I build a block? It might be. I think what it's doing is it's not actually using the right tool. I think it's thinking that I'm meaning, like, when you build blocks, there's, like, a planning tool that comes up. Yeah. Try. Well, let's try to figure out what's going on. Okay. Do not explode yourselves just yet. In theory, they should walk in like a really stupid route. I say, go, here. No, they don't seem to care at all. Maybe it's because they're drafted? No? Zone, orders. If I do like this. Ooh. The random explosions every time. They don't give a shit at all. Yeah, they're just walking through everything. Okay. This is gonna be AIDS. Look at the map. It's covered in blood. Okay. That's not gonna fix anything. Increase the pathfinding cost to 10,000. It's not going to help, I'm sorry. Keep. Still not working. Clearly the modifier is not being applied. Effectively impossible? Impossible cost is usually 10,000? I see. Maybe we made it a little too impossible. 9999. This is one less than impossible. My tummy has been hurting throughout the middle of the night, and I've been having to get up and take a shit in the middle of the night. It's not been fun. I did take a anti-parasite pill though. Hopefully that goes away. I'm worried that my cat has caught that, and that's the reason why he shit everywhere earlier. He did seem a little ill. Like, he's kind of down, you know, he doesn't move as much as he normally would. It's always sad to see. Using system... Yappa yappa. Oh, okay, we've changed the function. There is a chance that this works. Maybe it's because the function was wrong. Updated the path to be more specific. Updated the harmony patch. Yeah. We believe. I will, in the meantime, also download that mod in question. Was it Clean Pathfinding? Clean Pathfinding. We'll try our best to rob them of their code. Yeah, we'll just have a little peek. Something is wrong here. I imagine you copied the wrong code somewhere. Okay. We should be able to see the code if we have a look through. Where is it going to be? It's not here. Maybe in RimWorld I'll be able to see it. And I get the directory. No. RimWorld workshop directory. Okay. It's under 294-100. Crashed. What's wrong? Did you just revert the code? Okay, but now it ignores the plan tool. Common. Was it here? Ah, yes. Content. 294100. And we just need to figure out which one it is. Maybe here? Which mod is this? About. Hospitality. Oh, I have so many mods to go through. HL? Maybe I can discover it with the textures. There shouldn't be a texture. DBH? Not the right one. Right. What I could do? I could just delete everything. Oh. But I worked so hard to make that. Descriptions. Let's just get rid of all the garbage that I don't use. In RimWorld, preferably. No? There's no good way to do that. Oh, I could probably search somehow with the terminal. For a keyword. Search in terminal for keyword in files. Use grep. Grep here. Where is it? RNW? E. I wonder if I could just use like relative path. E. Or we're looking for, what was it? Clean pathfinding? Grep is not installed. Okay. This should definitely work now. That's a lot of confidence. Mini patch. Methods. I mean, I doubt it. We can try. It did build, which is a good sign. In the meantime, how can I search my workshop directory for a specific mod? I have a lot of mods to go through, so a command would be highly appreciated. Did not work. Could not find path, grid, calculate cost method. Oh, that actually might be fixable. What was it? Get rid of this. Path, grid, calculate cost. Where's my code? Path, grid, calculate cost. Is this what it's talking about? It's probably an XML that it failed. Come back to you. Here. Be the error. Let's go. It's a little too confident. This should definitely work. Never be like that, unfortunately. Oh, that was quick. Keep. Oh, it built it for me. Thank you. Yes. I think it just forgot like a line of code, or I imagine it might need to change something in the CS proj, but we'll see. Hospital was renamed, made private, yappa yappa. Need to find a different way to name it. You want me to see if this will work now? Okay, so it's not confident this will work, but it did. I'll take it. Okay. What'd you add? A reference to some sort of functions. Don't see what they actually do. Okay, I have no idea what it's doing. This is logging. All it did was add logging. They're gonna ignore it. What's this? Music. I've never seen this before. Did we run out of music already? Oh man. It's already been an hour? I need a bigger playlist so badly. Wow. Stop. You all die. Don't move too much. Preferably, walk around this. Go. No. Let's try the other plan tool. This is called plan, right? Yeah, plan tool. That's why I told you not to walk there. Okay, walk here. No. They genuinely just don't seem to care at all. Go harvest this to me. You don't care. It builds and launches, but the pawns still ignore the plan tool. Alright, back to this chat. What's this? Get child? Oh, right, it's PowerShell. Oh, wait, search term. Oops. Clean. Clean should come up, I think. Clean pathfinding. Here we go. It's 260. 260. There it is. 1.4? Wait, no way. Oh, this code's gonna be outdated. Yeah, this is outdated. My bad. Back. Yeah, 1.4. Fuck. I need 1.6. Pathfinding avoidance. Yes. Will do. Part of that. Pathfinding. Might not be finished downloading. Yeah, it's not. Huh? Oh, pathing. Oops. Pathfinding. 260 is clean pathfinding. Pathfinding avoidance. 3503. Okay. What did you say here? Oh, yeah, okay, it wasn't thinking. 353. Have a look, see. 3. Oh wow, it's the bottom one. It's worse. Yes. Pathfinder. What does this say? All type is enabled. Well, I could probably ask ChatGPT to have a look at this one as a reference. Yes. Stop thinking. What are you doing? Stop that. Restore. You stop. Use this file as a reference for how to interact with pathing. Okay, I'm just gonna ignore the fact that it's still thinking here. Oh, it's still going. Stop. Stop. There. There you go. There you go. Okay. This doesn't look that different, though, to be fair. Pathfinder map data? Suppose. Do you have any other code we can look at? Path type? Ooh. Some advanced code. Load grid job? I'll give you a grid job. Holy shit. It's completely reworked everything it's doing. Oh my god. Alright, fine. It does not work though. What's it doing now? Get offset. I mean, sure. I don't know what it's doing anymore. I can't even understand. Path grid customizer. Chill. Map. I think what's happening is that it's seeing errors pop up in the build, and it's like, ah, I did it wrong. Let me try again. We may be stuck here for a while. We'll see. It does not seem to be getting any closer. Is it path request? Does not contain definition. Never mind. Path request iPath. iPath. What's it doing now? Oh my god. What's wrong? Wow, change your comment. That's definitely gonna change something. It's this. No, wait. It's path request. Where's path request? Why are you changing comments? I what? Okay, apparently removing this and changing the comment worked. We can't call the Pathfinder directly. It might be a default. We'll just assume 0 if we call it, or can't call it. Or we can try and cast it to unknown. What? Let's ignore the original customizer's cost if we can't call it. Let's assume the user wants to avoid plans regardless of other costs. We really need the original cost. We might need a reflection. It still seems to be doing something. I don't really know what it's cooking, but what was it doing before? Original customizer? What's a customizer? Huh. Whatever, good luck. Did work. Did load. I imagine it was adding that to try and be compatible with other mods. We don't care about that. I can honestly even remove the official DLCs. That'll be fine. Oh, that's bad. That's a lot of errors. Maybe we can ignore it? The given key by pawn avoid fog was not present. Okay, I get it. Chill, game. Stop. Stop. It's blocked. I'm just gonna take this one. Let's see. Actually, no, I'll take this one. A little bit more generic. By pawn does not exist. Which is here somewhere, presumably. What? Where is he getting this code from? That's a long error. Sweeper, exception. Path grid calculates. Path grid calculates? Okay, that's not here. What was that? Path grid calculate, cost at patch. Over here somewhere? No, cost at. What's that? What's it talking about? The test path? True? What did it test? This does exist. You didn't do anything. Symbolic link creation failed? No. Try again. It did just like, it's like, nah, I don't want to do this. You're on your own. You wrote the code. You're fixing it. Massive penalty. Patch. Transpiler? It's like some fake word. What's a transpiler? Transpiler. Transpiler source-to-source compiler. Ah, it's just making the mod files. That's fair enough. Message was empty. What? Huh? What? My message was not empty. Is it too long? It might be too long. Try one more time. Yes. Undo. What did I change? Zero changes? How? How is it doing that? Hold on. This is a crucial change. I'm adjusting the patch to target the path. That's good. Wherever you're finding this. Is it this? Calculated cost that. Logging though. Oh, okay. More logging, useless. More logging, useless. Oh, never mind. There we go. Minus 92 plus 46. That's a big boy change. No, hold on. Try again. Oh, blocked. Yippee. Yippee. You temporarily disabled the crashing patch? You're fucking kidding me. What's the point? Temporarily disabled to prevent crash while debugging. I know it works. It still fails. You failed. You failed to fail. Real. Type initializer? What's this? Honestly, is a very valid description of what the fuck's going on here. It's adding it back, I think. I wish it would say what it's doing. It's just randomly adding lines. Postfix. Got the rest of the function. What's this do? More logging. Get rid of the logging. Very useful. Thank you. Oh. Okay. What's wrong? Updated patch. Target the 4-argument version. I mean, I did see that. So that was good. Updated the postfix methods. I also saw that. And removed logging. I don't really see what the point of it was, but sure. I love how these AI models always just like write something for the sake of writing something. If they don't know or don't know how to do something, they will just try and fail. And then they won't know how to fix it, and they'll just be confused as to why it's not working. Just average vibe coding. Come on, it can't be that hard. You know what we could do? We might be able to place blocks that pawns can walk through, but really don't want to, instead of doing this with the planning tool. Chill game. Or chill. This is very fitting music. There's more logging. And you've just removed the exact same thing you added, you dumbass. Try again. No, try again. Okay, so you've been drilling down on this exception. Really disabled the pot. Stop doing that. No. You know, let's go back to when it was functional. Here. All the way here. Restore checkpoints. Okay. This was working. The pawns are ignoring the plan tool. Can we just go further back and do that plan I had with the instant place blocks? Now I want to add a block that is insta placed. Pawns don't have to let's actually make colonists specifically. Colonists don't have to build it, and all colonists will try not to walk through it while other pawns ignore it. There we go. Yes, we'll try our best to avoid the planning tool, because it doesn't seem that AI can figure out how that works. To be fair, it doesn't seem to be able to figure out how pathing works at all, but we'll try our best. $500 cost? That's not what I wanted to see. Oh. Please don't make the same mistakes. We could try a different model, I guess. What's this button do? My PC just like explodes. Anything new here? I didn't notice there's an edit feature as well. Edit files in your workspace? What's the difference? Avoid marker, place a marker. Okay. Sure. What's this? Spawn setup. Avoid. I don't know what the point of this is or what it does, but we'll add it. Go on. Avoid grid. That to avoid? Oh, good. Recalculate the path cost. Yes. It looks good to me. Extra costs? Okay, it does seem to be still going. Maybe? Operation codes LDLM? Sure, yeah, that's just what I wanted. There's nothing here. What? If we just loaded an element from the path grid array, check if the previous instructions were loaded. This is hard to guarantee. Let's assume this is the cost lookup. We have to... You haven't done anything. There's nothing here. Maybe it's not done. It doesn't seem to be still going. Right? We need cost index map pawn. We don't have the index map pawn easily. Unless we track them. Oh! Oh, it set up like a strategy for itself to read. Interesting. Minesweeper patch. Okay. That's familiar code, which is not what I wanted to see. But it's different. Why are you changing this? Oh, it's adding a new block, right? Okay. And now we fix bugs. No suitable methods. Draggable dimensions? It doesn't have to be draggable. I wish I could tell it now it doesn't have to be draggable. Hold on, stop. Doesn't have to be draggable. You can make it single blocks. Okay. I hope that helps out. A trap, you know. I think traps in RimWorld, you can just place a single one of them. To be fair, you can drag those to place multiple, but we don't need that functionality. I doubt we'll be exploring areas too much beyond like the start. Okay, don't need that. It does seem to still want something to do with dragging. Well, no, you're not giving me enough time to click keep. You build anyway, try build. It's still better simply, never mind. Map does not contain definition of path grids. Ah, not this again. Which one? Avoid grid component. It's trying to build before I've run the keep the code button. Still broken. No argument given that would correspond to have notified. Wait, I gotta press it, Can't read, gotta press. Succeeded, huge. Okay. Did it like do debug codes? Oh no, it worked. Yeah, let's see. Restart RimWorld, open the... I will open the... Avoid marker. Okay. Distant placement. Smart avoidance. Remover. Cool. You added a remove function too. Not functional, but you tried. What does it say? Oh, keep. Quickly. I don't even know what you changed. I can't even look at what you're doing. In comments? Sure. He added the comments and then removed them. Phenomenal. Find path. Okay, yeah. It's missing a single word. Sure. That happens. Even to humans. We'd be forgetting the new keyword. Let's see. Please? It really does just feel like gambling whenever you get AI to code for you. Initializer... Yeah, it's trying to import something that's not working, I'm pretty sure. which is reasonable that it's going for this line here. It doesn't seem to know what to fix it with. Where is it? Come on. Where are we? It seems that keep patching exception, undefined method, bind path patch. This doesn't exist. It's come up with its own target method, find path. Okay. This doesn't seem like it's gonna work, but we'll try. Maybe it's cooking. Any moment? Oh. When it loads like that, you know something's wrong. It takes too long. Patch off. Good luck. Gotta click keep before it runs this. Let it change. Target method. It just rewrote the exact same code again in a different way. Don't think this is gonna work, Gemini. It doesn't seem like you're just hallucinating a feature. It's kind of pointless, no? Method does not equal null return method. Right? Is it even looking at the right thing? Find path patch. Target method. Yeah, here. This is broken. Trying the exact same thing from earlier. Very cool. Except this time we've added some logging. Phenomenal. I think I built before I was ready. Gone. Have a look at your logging. Fine. It's not even useful logging. It's just gonna say it didn't load if it doesn't load. Phenomenal. Oh, never mind. I take it back. I'm stupid, and you're smart, Gemini. Thank you, Daddy AI. Unless it just crashes in game, then no, thank you. Yeah, we should have added a new block that we can add and remove that our pawns should ignore, or should try to avoid. A void marker. Here it is. Okay. Can I drag it? No. Can't even place it. Interesting. Are they trapped? I'm holding click. I'm gonna spam click even. Oh. I mean, we got the mining tool. That's something. It's kind of cool. You draw a smiley face. Can I just get rid of it from the middle? No, it has to be connected to space. I guess it'd be a sad face. Just while everything on the map dies from random landmines. It's so sad. Okay. The mod loads, but the avoid marker doesn't get placed. It just removes blocks, which it shouldn't. When placing on top of them. Yeah. This hopefully should be simple. This is just placing blocks. Is that the floor? It's a floor? Ensuring it doesn't replace existing blocks. That's for the best, I guess. It probably wouldn't be ideal to just delete my entire house when I misclick. Meta overlay? Yes, that's good. Okay. Defined as a edifice? Like a wall? Placing it on a wall replaced by a wall, sure. A drawer type, so it's invisible. Then it wasn't working, because pawns were still walking through it. We'll try, though. Try placing the void marker. If the harmony patch is working, it'll work. That's not very confident of you, Gemini. At least it's more reasonable than this will work, and then it just fucking crashes immediately. Okay. A void marker. Oh, did you see it? Oh my god, it is so hard to see. It's like the most opaque thing I've seen in my life, or non-opaque even. Okay. Transparent is bad. They do seem to just walk through it anyway. Phenomenal. Yeah, this guy doesn't even give a shit either. I mean, I do see it. Claim? Or do we have to claim them? No? I can deconstruct, which is cool. Oh, we have to deconstruct them ourselves, though. Okay. You know what we can do, actually? Instead of all this, we can probably just manually set, like, blocks. Like, we don't have to have AI do this for us. We can just, like, put a block here and you know, hopefully the pods will avoid it as such. They did all walk into the same spot. We'll try a little bit longer. Maybe I will fix it, but I don't like my chances. It places, but colonists ignore it. Also, can you make it more visible? Where did you get the texture from? I genuinely don't understand how it's got that graphic. Transparent. Red tint. Maybe not transparent then?
Give me a break, give me a break.
Logging mechanism? No. Don't do that, please. Logging doesn't work. No, actually, wait, I'll stop it. Don't add logging. I'm so sick of watching, it try and add logging. See that the logging isn't doing anything, then remove that for the next patch and say it's done. Stupid. Next step is the deep dive. Compiler optimizations. This seems complicated. What was this, path type? This, mod. Does this have anything to do with, path costs? Cost. Pathfinder cost tuning? Oh. First base. It doesn't seem to be doing what I wanted to do. Make it slightly more visible. Okay, yeah. Instead of transparent, it made it overlay and bigger for some reason. I will just remove that. Assuming I can. In the file, not snapshot. There we go. Add the patch. Oh, this looks crazy. I don't know what the fuck's going on here. Okay, whatever. Good luck. I need to reload that spot there. Let's see. Okay. Did it compile? What did it actually add? A bunch of... Oh. Hold on. A bunch of opcode stuff? Doesn't seem like what we're looking for, but... I mean, who knows? Instead of doing all this, yeah. We could just make it so pawns don't walk through building plans. That'll be fine. Stop. Zone. Let's see if this is more visible now. I mean, sort of. Okay, walk this way. Ignored. Phenomenal. So you get for ignoring it. You walk through this too. Is it because it's not claimed? Oh! Oh. No, it's not functional. Yeah, it doesn't care. Okay. This is not working. Oh. I think we can place blocks on top of it. You know what, actually? If we go back to that point where it was deleting blocks, we can probably delete the landmines. That way we can actually remove our landmines in our base. Yes. Actually, hold on. Maybe it was cooking before. That said, I could just place those everywhere. Oh well. Where was it? Add more landmines. Add a block that's insta-placed. That worked. Make it single blocks. Okay. We were... Where was it? An error here. Hold on. No. But the void marker doesn't get placed, it just removes blocks. Yes. What did it change? None. That was the invisible thing. Floor. Okay. Here's just the floor and clear building area. Let's copy all this. Is edifice? I don't know what that does at all. But from graphic data onwards. Right? No. I want that transparent layer. Below graphic data, we'll copy. What's the file code? Buildings, a void marker. Here we go. Here. Is that longer or shorter? No. Huh? Why is it the same? I guess it just didn't copy. Void marker. Here we go. Boom. It's different. Two layer. Oh, that's fine. Any different to that? No, it's the same. Why isn't it? This should be true. Come on. Drink up. Oh, thank you, King. It doesn't. There's no notification for it. I gotta add a channel point redemption. Finish that bottle. Thank you for the redemption. I appreciate it. Lore. Okay, so it is an edifice, I saw. Right? Oh no, hold on. Wait, I'm stupid. This is what we're trying to copy. Oops. Yeah, altitude floor. Sure. Here. Yeah. If we could just delete the landmines, then that'll work. It's not ideal, but so be it. Because the idea is that we'll be able to clear out areas with the sacrifice of our previous pawns. That said, if we can't just label them, then yeah, we'll have to do what we can. Yeah. Oh, hold on. Yeah, well, we know where the landmine is. The void marker? Okay, there. Don't go there. Now that we've placed that, will it still explode? Oh, it doesn't explode. Hold on. Let's sacrifice Sammy. Find a landmine. Somewhere around here, I'm sure. Somewhere we can memorize. Anywhere? Come on. Surely there's a landmine around here somewhere. Oh, about there. Okay. Around here is a landmine. Will it destroy it? Oh, it worked. Unless... Can I go here? Yeah, okay, it works. Okay, well, I mean, that'll work. Not what I wanted. I will save it, though. We'll publish it. Actually, I'll initialize repository locally. Adds random landmines. And has marker to delete them. Okay. We'll restore to this point. What should I play? Pick a number between 1 to 4. 3. I choose 3. Go back here. Yeah, fine. Get rid of that. Undo? No. W? What'd I pick? What was it? Building a void marker. Okay. Huh? No. Yeah, undo change. Discard change. Modded Minecraft. Were you here for the Boomfist mod? I think you were, weren't you? Yeah. Dude, discard this shit. Okay. Whatever the fuck it's trying to do, don't let it do that. Okay. The mod loads. Ignore that. I want the... What I want. The pawns to avoid this these markers on their pathing. I have attached a pathing mod for you to use as a reference so that the pawns ignore the marker as a possible terrain. You're probably going to play create. One day I'll do that. One day. Pathing mods. The colonists. The colonists. Okay. Let's attach that file, please. Oops. Open editors. No. Some folders. Yeah, this is the one. Do you want to know what the other options were? Yeah, okay, go on. So just open everything manually. Let's call source. Oh my god, okay. Open and open. We'll just add everything that's open currently. Add all editors. Yes, good. Satisfactory Star Citizen or Kerbal Space Program. Oh, I see. The other option I was going to pick was 2, because 2 is my favorite number. But... eh. That's fine. Minus 33 things. What are you removing? Holy shit. I believe in you, AI. Do your thing. You have so much thing to... so much source material to work with. War priority? Pathfinder. What's this? Oh, this looks painful to write there. End of file? What? 164. What? What's wrong here? I'd be confused too, AI. Namespace definition? What's wrong? Just delete all of it, fuck it. Oh, I see, it's he didn't finish the code. There you go, I succeeded. Huge. Good job. Let's try. It does currently delete things, but we can fix that ourselves. We did see how to do that. Which sign? Did load? Ah, surely right. Ah. Ignore everything. We're only interested in you guys not pathing through these. It does delete. I did see it delete. They are ignoring it. Man, why is it so hard? What if we can add a spike trap? Like to all these tiles, like... because pawns try to avoid spike traps. But, oh my god, I couldn't even experiment with them. Yeah, we can add like an invisible spike trap that just doesn't trigger. That might work. Okay. Let's... Okay. It didn't work. How do I delete everything that I just added there? Instead of all this, can you make the landmine work like a spike trap, where pawns try to avoid it? But of course, make it invisible. Gifted gears, yes, thank you. I mean, the marker will be fine. It'll work for now. Let's go back to, like, was it like meta overlay? Doesn't remove everything. Possibility. Possibility? Standable. Just don't make it possible. Hold on. What about this? What do we call it? Like obstruction? Obstruction? We'll come back to that. Spring sub? What? Spring sub? Oh, I see. It's trying to be a spring. This is useless. Don't do that. In fact, it's just ruining my code. Oh, but you're just going to make it more like a spring trap. No, but I don't care. I like how it is now. Undo that. What is here? Removes everything. Phenomenal. Delete the file, bro. It's fine. Didn't do anything with this, though. No, they're not going to ignore it. Or they're going to avoid it. Implementing building trap logic? No, this isn't helpful. Whatever. Stop. Whatever you're doing, stop that. Let's do what we were thinking. This line here, can you just make the marker an obstruction? Totally fine. Originally, I wanted to label the mines for our pawns only. But, I mean, oh well. It's trap. True. It's trap. Hold on. Impossible is what it is. Let's just do true. There we go. Make it just a trap. I didn't build the code. Oops. Stop. Control Shift B. Build. And let's try this. I'm hoping that is trap just has like some logic behind it to make pawns try their best to not walk on it. That would be ideal. Wouldn't it be great if I knew my own code? It's overlay. Fuck. What was it called? Is this called avoid markers XML? Control Z until we get back to that point. Transparent, meta overlay. Endable, selectable. I don't remember which point it was. Oh, here, okay. Like such. Okay. That looks good to me. It's just a trap now. True. It doesn't delete anything anymore. It means the traps are still possible to walk through. Oh, maybe. Oops. Let's see. It's about make like a tunnel. The pawns. Oh, is trap but not edifice. Code will break. All right, sorry. Let me fix it up. No. It won't break. It won't break because it's just a marker. Hold on. It's lying to me. I hope. I think edifice might mean it might try to trigger something. Let's see. What is an edifice in the first place? Or Shift N, edifice. Large, impressive building or structure. Okay. Phenomenal. Let's see. I am confident this will work, even though that we had an error. Stop. Place marker. Avoid this. Don't go in here. Okay. Now walk. Ignored. Didn't break anything, it's just ignoring. Okay. Yeah, this didn't work. Let's try the edifice, and then if that doesn't work, we'll make it impossible. That'll be unfortunate. Endable? Oh. Edifice. True. Okay. Play. I didn't generate the code. It is an XML, but it's an XML, we probably don't need to build it, but I'll do it anyway. Yeah, just in case. You never know. Well, you probably do know, but... Okay. This is, it's actually a surprisingly long stream. I thought this would only take me like an hour. About an hour and 40 minutes is, you know, 5-minute coding adventure type shit. Taking me a little bit longer than I would have liked. To be fair, I'm not even the one doing the code very much, so. Okay. Please, do not make me make this code different to what I wanted. Okay. Go. Ah, no. Fine. Fine. It's not possible anymore. Impossible. I'll be very upset if this didn't work the way I wanted. Can you imagine they just walk through it anyway? Man. Quick test. At least the mines work. The mines were easy. Look how everyone's get attacked less. Sure, whatever. Yeah. We spawned in a house. Interesting. A void marker. So they shouldn't be able to walk through this. It does replace blocks, but that's okay. Oh! That is good. Yes, it can't walk through that. It's like an invisible wall. Unfortunately, this could be very easily abused, and I could just like make like a wall of this and enemies can't get through. But I will. Just imagine that we're placing like blocks here. Or sorry, not blocks, we're placing like signposts. Okay. The markers work. They replace whatever is there at the moment, though. E.g. items. Can you make it not do that? Also, we want it, can we add a texture instead of the graphic we have now? I would like it just like a big X, so that's a little more obvious. Let's actually make the texture now. What is it, like 32 by 32? Or make it 64 by 64. 65. Ah. It's down here, the size. 64. 64. Okay. And it's just gonna be a big X. Oh, this isn't gonna be a PNG because it's a white background. Can I delete that? No. I don't think Paint can make invisible backgrounds. Fuck. Rename path. Textures? It's fine. That's okay. We'll open up Photoshop in a moment. X. I just do it in Photoshop, it's fine. Was it right? Nothing. Oh. Things moat smoke. RimWorld A. Okay. Building? It should not be a building. Oh, okay, it's fine. I believe in you. Ensured clear building area false set. This should prevent it from wiping items when placed, although making it impossible creates a physical conflict. Items inside a wall. If items still disappear, it's because the game engine enforces no items in encompassing cells. Doesn't help me, but sure. New 64, 64. Doesn't have to be high res. Very high quality X. X. There we go. Make sure you're fixable. Hold on. Maybe I should have made it a new player. There you go. Delete. X. Export. Perfect. Here we go. Rim Sweeper. And textures, and we'll replace RimGore A. I believe. Let's build it. Let's go. It's functional, then we've more or less succeeded what I wanted to do today. Well, I mean, to an extent. We didn't get the exact mod, but close enough. Okay. Do we want it like more minesweepery with like numbers nearby? Maybe not. It's fine. Does this remove items? Yes. Oh well. Oh. But we know the landmines are there. Let's not walk there. Okay, it doesn't delete bodies, but so be it. Okay. Needed to not delete items. It still deletes items and bodies. Try again. The marker earlier was better. Oh, actually, no, wait. Don't do this. Try again. Make it similar to the floor plan tool. Maybe that'll give it a hint. Using impossible seems destructive, I think it said. I need it to be impossible. I guess if we could make the floor plan tool impossible, that would work too. Is edifice set false? Maybe we can change that, it doesn't matter. Maybe this is the bad thing here. Is trap probably also does something bad. False. False. Let's try this in the meantime, actually. While it's trying its best. I'll be able to see on my second monitor when the pop-up appears. Yo! I got a sponsored stream, wow. It's like some mobile game. Oh. Variable dimension? Is tramp but not edifice? Oh, it changed the code while I was running the game. Really? Standable? It's not standable, no. Path cost. Handle cost via harmony? You will not. Oh wait, you're removing that. There's no way this works. No way, right? Here it is. Huh. If this was the solution the entire time, I'm gonna be pissed. I'm gonna be very pissed. Here it is. No. Can you imagine? It was just like this stupid one line here. At path costs, extremely expensive, yeah. Crap. Placeable draggable dimensions allows you to drag a box. You haven't been able to get that working. Doesn't correspond to any field type? Yeah, no. That's not real. Get rid of this. Ah. Let's try and ignore that, if possible. Your building area? Haven't seen this before. Hit points, selectable. Was my headset running out of power? I don't know if you guys could hear that. Come on, plug in. There we go. Isn't this working? Like 50-50? I believe. Flip a coin. Avoid. Yeah, that's not a good sign. We can place things on top of other things, though. Yeah, they're ignoring it. Oh wait, no, they hold on. Maybe that was a coincidence. Place avoid marker. Oh. Okay, well, maybe that's because the tree was there. Hold on. Put a wall. Walk there. Oh, it does work. It was just one fucking line. Oh my god. And then we can force him to walk there. Yes. They do seem to be very unhappy about doing so, though. That's okay. It's probably because it's acting like a building. Where's the landmine again? Is it there? Yes. Yes, it is. Okay. Get this guy here. Hopefully he doesn't explode on the way. And then walk here. I think he's dead. Okay. That is functional. Very good. Was there anything else I wanted to do? No, I think we're good. AI chill destination? Anything else? No. Alright, phenomenal. In that case, that is this mod done. I will try it Tuesday, assuming I don't do my clan stream on Tuesday. Thank you everyone for watching. I appreciate this was probably not the most of interesting streams, but I wanted to do it, and this is more or less what I do off stream anyway, so this was my homework stream. Thank you everyone for watching. Do we have anyone to raise? We do have a couple people in, actually. Surprisingly popular stream, somehow. Anyone to raid? Oh, it's Beth. Alright, hell yeah. We're raiding Beth. She is playing Hollow Knight Silksong. Maybe it'll be like a tips one. Yeah. So let's raid. It's Beth. Honey. Good luck, everyone. Great. Let's do it. Goodbye, everyone. See you on Tuesday, 7:30. Bye. Right now.